Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Today I want to give you my top 5 comedian in South Africa. Top 5 comedian in South Africa. Number 1, Mpho. He doesn't only do stand-up comedy. This one, he's a podcaster on McG's network, television presenter. He's an actor. He's an advertising guru. You know, if you want things to be done, man, you have to check out Mpho. And then number 2, we have Celeste and Ntuli. So Celeste doesn't do stand-up as well, only doesn't end there. She even she's an actress, yes. There was this is it a drama or is it a telenovela or it what, Sibaya? Yeah, she was there. She killed that role, man. And then number 4, we have Eugene Khoza. This guy doesn't do only stand-up, he does a lot. TV and radio personality, he produces, he's an actor, he's a podcast host, etc., etc. This goes on and on, man. So shout out to Eugene Khoza. Then number 4, we have Skhumba. Skhumba is a radio presenter. He's an actor. I think he acted at he was playing where I think it's Thandeka's Dahar also, but he was acting. So Skhumba does act, guys. Shout out to Skhumba. Then we have Tsitsi the barbaric. He's there at he's a ghost at Popcorn and Cheese. He took number 5 spot. So shout out, guys. Please guys, subscribe. Give me your top 5 comedians that you know. You know, that was my 5. So please shout out to those gents, and then shout out to everyone who I didn't mention. So please guys, comment, guys. It will help us to grow this channel.